Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming kubectl context and admin privileges. That ensures you can apply cluster resources. Once verified, install an ingress controller. Nginx is simplest, so the cluster can route external traffic. Next, create a namespace, deploy a sample app, and expose it with a cluster IP service. This provides a target for ingress rules. Make sure to label resources consistently so you can find them later. And run kubectl get pods and get svc to validate the test app is running. Now craft the ingress manifest. Include host, path, backend service name, and port so traffic maps to your app. Once done, create or reference a TLS secret and add it under ingress. Spec: TLS to enable HTTPS termination at the controller. Use controller-specific annotations to fine-tune behavior, timeouts, path rewrites, or rate limits, because each controller reads different keys. Apply the manifest with kubectl apply f. Then check kubectl, describe ingress, and controller logs to confirm rules. Finish by wiring DNS to the ingress controller external IP, or add hosts entries so the host header matches your ingress. After propagation, test endpoints with curl v and in a browser to verify TLS, redirects, and headers. If something fails, inspect controller logs, kubectl get events, and kubectl describe ingress to find mismatched host names, missing TLS secrets, or annotation errors. One key troubleshooting tip: confirm the service target port matches the container port. Mismatches are a common cause of 500.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.